Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll look at the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action, present resistance and support levels. So when we look at the events plan for tomorrow, April 3rd, we have a Chinese bank holiday. Then at 12 p.m. we have high impact news plan for Swiss franc related currency pairs. At 7:30 p.m. we have high impact news and medium impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. At 8 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to plan your trades according to this news outcome schedule. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the past price action in daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to test this resistance level, which is around 2000, then to continue its bearish trend. And again, we are noticing the price action to retrace back to the previous resistance levels, and we are noticing the price action to consolidate around this area. It has not drastically fallen on the bearish side, or it does not bounce back on the bullish trend for now. So based on this past price action, I am taking the previous high and marking this as a supply zone, because the candle has not clearly breached this supply zone. It has not closed above this resistance zone or the supply zone. So this resistance zone is still valid for now. And when we look at the demand zone, you can notice a indecision candle being formed over here, which clearly shows a battle between the buyers and sellers, and finally the buyer won this battle. That's why we have noticed a price action to continue trending on the bullish side, and when the price action wants to trend on the bearish side, again we can notice a similar battle to start at this level. So I am marking this area as a demand zone. So now we know the demand zone and the supply zone, and let us look at the current trend of the price action in daily time frame. I am again drawing the trend line or the resistance line. So here I have drawn a parallel channel pattern which is in a bullish trend. In the past also, this trend line or the support line had acted as a resistance line, and currently also we are noticing the price action to struggle to break this resistance line. We have noticed it to sharply trend on the bullish side. Again it bounced back on the bearish side. Again it has tried to break this resistance line, but it did not close above this resistance line, which means that there is no trend in the market for now in daily time frame. It has lost its bullish trend in daily time frame, and it is under a consolidation, or it is forming into one symmetric triangle pattern. So we have to wait in daily time frame for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation or the symmetric triangle pattern in order to enter into the bullish side trade or into the bearish side trade, because it is trading between a very strong resistance zone and a very strong support zone. In the lower time frame, you can be trading within this symmetric triangle pattern, but you have to trade with a very tight stop losses, otherwise you might end up with a huge losses. So only when the price action gives a breakout from this support zone, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start, and if the price action gives a breakout from this resistance zone, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. So for now, the values in green color are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1973 and support level of 1933. Once the price action gives a breakout from this resistance level of 1973 on the bullish side, next level of resistance is going to be around 2000. Once this resistance level is breached, next level of resistance is going to be around 2072. And on the bearish side, if the price action bounces back from this resistance zone on the bearish side retracement, breaking this support level of 1933, next level of support is going to be around 1898, 1845, 1791 and 1725. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and in 4 hours time frame also we are noticing the similar price action that is happening in daily time frame, which means it is consolidating within this symmetric triangle pattern. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this symmetric triangle pattern on the bearish side to enter into the bearish side trade, or on the bullish side to enter into the fresh bullish side trades. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and we know from the higher time frame that currently the price action is under a consolidation within this higher time frame resistance level and the support level. And in the hourly time frame, we can notice the price action to trend on the bullish trend within this bullish channel pattern. And also we can see that it has bounced back from this resistance line from the symmetric triangle pattern, and it is on a retracement. And if the price action gives a breakout from this bullish channel pattern support line, we can expect it to retest on this symmetric triangle pattern support line. And if the price action gives a breakout from this support line of the symmetric triangle pattern, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start, and next level of support is going to be the higher time frame support level of 1934, and this bullish channel will become invalid. But again, as long as the price action is trading within this symmetric triangle pattern, we can expect the consolidation to continue in hourly time frame also. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation in order to take a directional trade in hourly time frame also. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is taken between the resistance level of 1972 and support level of 1962. If the price action breaks this support level of 1962 and continues its bearish side retracement, the next level of support is going to be around 1944 and 1933. And on the bullish side, if the price action takes support on the support level of 1962 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1972, 1981, 1990, 2002, 2019, 2039 and 2064. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we are noticing the price action to trade between this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. It has respected this resistance line from the bullish channel pattern, and it has bounced back to retest on this bullish channel pattern support line. Wait for the price action to take support on this bullish channel pattern support line and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. The next level of resistance is going to be the daily time frame symmetric triangle pattern trend line or the resistance line. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action fails to break this resistance line, we can expect the consolidation to continue or to give a directional breakout from this bullish channel pattern. And next level of support is going to be the symmetric triangle pattern trend line or the support line. These are all the support line from the higher time frame. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this resistance line or the support line in order to enter into the direction trade on the bearish side or on the bullish side in lower time frames also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance levels and the support levels for the current price action. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1970 and support level of 1966. Once the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, breaking this support level of 1966, next level of support is going to be around 1960, 1954. And on the bullish side, if the price action gives a breakout from the resistance level of 1970, next level of resistance is going to be around 1973, 1976, 1978, 1981 and 1986. The ranges on the bullish side are very narrow because presently we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this narrow range. If you really want to take a directional trade, wait for the price action give a breakout from this consolidation, based on which you can enter into the directional trade in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame, and previously we have noticed a price action to be trending on the bearish side, respecting this trend line or the support line, and currently it has given a breakout from this support line on the bearish side, and it has also retested this resistance line from the past price action. So if you want to trade on the bullish side, you have to wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the past price action in order to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement. And immediate resistance is going to be around 1970, 1974, 1978 and 1985. And if the price action continues its bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 1966, 1961 and 1955. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this bullish channel pattern support line from the hourly time frame in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in 15 minutes time frame. So to summarize, we are noticing the price action to be consolidating in the higher time frame, and we are noticing a similar price action to happen in the lower time frame also. And if you want to make trades within this consolidation, you have to be very fast in entering into the trade and booking your profits. And also you have to be trading with a very tight stop loss so that you can protect your capitals when the trades goes against your assumption. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.